Sunday.
Yeah.
We blew the roof off the place. And since then, ready for this?
Yeah.
22,600 sets of mugs were offered. Already 250 in the show. And what you need to know is that we began on Sunday, we had two choices.
We did.
This choice is called Whimsy, and we had a polka dot choice. The polka dots sold out.
Yes.
This is what we have remaining. What you should know is that you get all 4 mugs and their gift boxes for a total of $24. Here's more good news. Every item in our show tonight, Tara, on air online till end of day, is 4 pay or better.
Oh, that's fabulous.
This is 4 easy payments of $6 each. This is your Whimsy collection.
Yes.
Please take us on a tour.
Yes, so this is the first year that we've participated in the break apart gift kind of craze, and I love this. We saved the best for last. We asked all of you, what would be your favorite break apart, and the mug we heard loud and clear. So we did our 4 characters. These are our Whimsy characters. So here you can see that adorable snowman. He's holding the Christmas tree. He's got, of course, his old world scarf on, the cardinal up on his hat that I do in honor of my father. The handles are hand painted, and of course you have that design on both sides. It's not just on one side. So this is your first $6 gift. Take a peek at the gift box underneath it. Each one comes individually gift boxed. It's already got the to and from tag on it and the bow. Perfect. First gift. Then you're going to see, look at that. I love that. Next door we have our gingerbread. He is so stinking cute. I love the green backdrop that you see there. Again, he's got his mittens. He's got his rosy pink cheeks, the little cardinal right there on his side. And again, look at the detail, the snowflakes that run all the way around. And there, of course, is the design on the back as well. There's your second $6 gift. Then we come over to our little penguin. He too has his pink little cheeks. He's got his scarf, his little cardinal. I love the motif. I love the polka dots there. It truly takes on a different personality from mug to mug. So when you're thinking about gifting these, I'm sure you have someone on your list. There is your third $6 gift. And finally, we saved the best for last. We have, of course, our beautiful chubby little Santa, which I love all of the detail there. His mittens, of course, he's got such a cute little look. And again, remember, all the way around 360 degrees, you have those beautiful designs. All 4 mugs, 14 ounces, all individually gift boxed, meant to truly keep one, give one, break them apart into 4 amazing gifts.
We brought in 32,000 sets of mugs.
Yes.
I have 9,000 left.
Okay.
What you want to do is get yours now.
I was going to do that for you.
You know what? Thank you.
No problem.
Our makeup artist came out and gave me a little touch-up, and I think I got a little
That's what
brush,
friends are
little
for.
brush thing there. Hey, can I tell you that we are super, super busy? Thank you, dear. So all of this is going to be your best ordering experience on QVC.com and QVC mobile app, because what you're getting is all of it. Now, you might think if you were to buy 1 boxed mug for $24, that'd be okay. No, how about 4
Isn't
boxed
that amazing?
mugs?
I love when you put your arms around him and you're like,
Look at this. Everything between my 2 hands is what you get. You get all 4 mugs, all 4 gift boxes, and the gift boxes are printed so you can do to from.
Yes.
They have little to from tags on them. So if you want to give this to the soccer coach or the piano teacher or your UPS or school bus driver, maybe you're the crossing guard. Oh, how about the school police officer, the resource officer in your school, the ones that are working so hard to keep our kids safe, maybe your local fire department or police department, volunteer paramedics, all the folks you want to remember for the holidays. This is a great way to do it. Maybe you want to fill it with my favorite soup in life, French onion soup.
I love that. And here, so if you're new to Temp-tations or you just need a friendly reminder, what I love about these is you can put these under the broiler, David. So when you're making that beautiful French onion soup, I can get it nice and crunchy and caramelized. Nothing's going to stick. I was just going to say, do you want to grab that? Nothing's going to stick to the sides, which is fantastic. So you have those ooey gooey soups. It goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave when you want to go ahead and reheat that Keurig coffee. Look, there's Santa covered in cheese.
I love it.
But look at that. This is the fun. This is what Temp-tations is all about. These memories that we create, but these pieces that are individually hand painted, hand applied accents that actually, as David said, become a tradition that people look forward to. We did pumpkin cheesecakes in here. We did mac and cheese in here. So don't just think about these as a mug, although everybody drinks, whether it's coffee, tea, water, there's always something that you can use this for. This is why I think when we asked you what would be your favorite thing for a break apart gift, mugs were number 1.
What if you bought today's special value and this?
Yes.
Total of $94.
Love that.
How about that?
Love.
So now you're looking at the perfect Keurig K Plus Mini, 4 mugs to get you started. And remember, these are stoneware. Tara baked mac and cheese in one. She did French onion soup in another. She did cheesecake in a third. Maybe she'll do a trifle or her favorite yogurt mixed with granola for a breakfast
Love
treat.
that.
Or make them ahead of time for Christmas morning, store them in the fridge, and have everybody grab a mug and sit around the living room while there's a sea of wrapping paper. And you're enjoying the Christmas morning melee. This is K47736, and we're excited to offer these to you at such a great price. I will tell you, we started with 32,000 sets of 4 mugs. I have 6,500 left.
Wow.
That means in this show alone, 3,300 already spoken for. We are super, super busy. Did you bake in this?
Yeah, I have to tell you, this is so something you would do because David loves personal individual, whether it's desserts, whether it's soups. So we did 4 individual desserts. So think about if you wanted to use this on your holiday table, we did a cookie cake. Okay, so we baked that cookie cake right in their rise and then decorated it. We did a beautiful lemon pound cake where we did a gorgeous lemon preserve, a little topping that you see right there. We did a beautiful peppermint red velvet cake. I love that.
Oh,
Look
what
at that
a good
with little,
idea.
isn't it fabulous?
Yes.
Something simple but something sweet, and everybody has their own individual dessert. Wait
Do
for
I
it.
spy chocolate mousse?
Of course, with raspberries.
And a pirouette cookie?
Raspberries? Yes.
Raspberries?
I love it.
You know what? I say don't leave Santa cookies. Do what I do. Leave him a cheeseburger. Boyfriend is hungry.
With French fries for the
He
reindeer.
needs something savory
What
with
about
cheese.
the reindeer?
Well, the reindeer,
French
yeah,
fries.
give them a French fry. Yeah.
I love that.
Come on, get
Here's
it.
what you were saying, though, right? The breakfast, right? Whether you're making your beautiful Keurig coffee or you're having your oatmeal in here, you're having your soups that you're bringing with you to the office. But I also love thinking outside the box. So take a peek right here down at the front ledge. David, these were all kind of those ideas that are like, oh, I never would have thought of that. Using it as a little centerpiece where maybe you want to put some of your little sprigs of holly and things in there. Filling it with peppermint, using it for your candlesticks. You could now have a tablescape going all the way down your table, wrapping up some Keurig, maybe some Cheryl's cookies, whatever you want to put in here. And now they become a fantastic gift. And down at the end, marry it up with that fabulous tray coming up, and look how sweet. You have cookies set out for Santa.
How's about your new Christmas Eve tradition? Stay with me.
I'm with you.
You buy a set or 2 of these mugs, depending on how many people you're going to have over Christmas Eve.
Okay.
You make peppermint hot chocolate for the kids.
Okay. Oh, I like where you're headed already.
You make hot chocolate with a splash of peppermint schnapps for the grown-ups.
I like this.
Gathered around the fire after dinner, waiting on Santa. All the kids are in their footy pajamas. You've got your peppermint hot chocolate.
I love it.
New family tradition.
Just gonna say that.
In your whimsy mugs. This could be the beginning of something very special for your family.
I love that you just said that because when I think about Temptations in general, it's all about traditions. My mom, really great cook. She used every dish in the house. Of course, I'd go on to create one dish cooking, but what happened was it became so collectible. So whether it's Santa with that green polka dot background or the penguin with the red background, like I said, every mug takes on a different character, a different look. The gingerbread's so stinking cute. I would keep this guy for myself, I'm just saying. And then, of course, our snowman and everything you come to love. 360 degrees of all individually hand-painted, hand-applied accents with the gift boxes as well.
Hey, can I tell you, we started with 32,000 total sets of mugs. I have 4,500 left.
Wow.
In this show, we've taken orders for 5,500 mug sets.
Everybody.
Stay on the line for these. They are precious and so adorable. What you need to know is that this is something brand spanking new, just debuted this week.
Yeah.
We just opened this past Sunday. Yeah. And out of the 32,000 we started with, we've got 4,000 left.
Incredible.
Great day in the morning, as my granddad would say. Get your mugs while the getting is good. We're going to check in with our Stacy. She's got dueling holidays over here.
Oh, yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Yeah, we get confused during these 4-hour shows, that's for sure. But look at this. Look what Tara brought in. It is a limited edition holiday oval